Do you think the judge that was sitting on the bench behavior towards Amber Guyger in the whole Dallas police shooting situation was appropriate? And then give me the legal side of what you think. Let's just say if you was on the Texas State Bar Association, and give me the personal side and how you feel about that whole situation, because you know it's an uproar.
Right.
That.
Oh, absolutely. I think what she did was grossly inappropriate.
Oh, my God. Wait a minute. Okay, see, I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy, Brent.
I think everybody agrees that was just unusual.
But there are a lot of levels to the things that she did wrong. First of all, she did not, although I did not see the entire sentencing, you need to focus on why she's going to jail. Right. She made a lot of mistakes. She was, the decision to fire was made recklessly. She didn't look around in her surroundings. She didn't pay attention. She already had some kind of racial animus. So she had all these things that she did wrong. That's what you focus on. You're going to prison for this, not, I'm so sorry you made a mistake. That's number one. Number two, you can't, not only are judges not allowed to do improper things, you have to avoid the appearance of impropriety.
Amen. Yes.
And
yes,
if
ma'am.
she's not in the habit of hugging murderers, then she shouldn't have hugged this one, because the only reason she hugged her because she was a police officer. That's number two. And that's what people come away with. And then what you do when you do that is you get divisive in the community because you upset people. You have to know how the optics look.
Amen.
Third problem that she had is she shouldn't have given her a Bible. What are you going to do with the atheist killers? You know what I mean? You can't proselytize from the bench. You just can't do it. Your beliefs are your beliefs.
Right.
But the separation of church and state is a very serious thing. And you can't just, I'm going to forgive you, God's going to forgive you, I'm going to give you a
Because my thing is, Judge Toler, and I support, and I be out here trying to help people, get people that look like us get seated to the bench, and then you see something like that. It's just absolutely heartbreaking. And then there was this judge that turned around and gave somebody 10 days in jail for falling asleep on jury duty.
Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. And I think that, different states and different jurisdictions have different ways of doing business. But I think what we forget about judges is that we're human. And I don't think we get trained appropriately to separate ourselves from how we feel and what we do. They just give you that robe and tell you the rules, and they don't give you any kind of emotional training.
Right.
And I think that they should. That judge gave him 10 days because he was irritated. His docket got set back 45 minutes. That's why that cat got 10 days. He was irritated. But you've got to learn the difference between being irritated and being disrespected.
Right.
Now, going back to the Amber Guyger case, that 10 years she got, that was real light and slight, right?
Here's my belief on this. I think we're chasing...
And wait a minute, let me piggyback on that question, and I want you to see if you can answer this. Does the judge have the discretion to add more years if she wanted to? Add that to his question.
I believe that she does in that jurisdiction. I'm not absolutely sure, but judges are very... We don't like to, if the jury makes a decision, we don't like to overrule it because it's a court of, it's a jury of your peers. Unless we think it's really, really way, way off, you like to stick with what they did because this is the community that you serve, and these are the people in its community. That having, so you don't like to deviate from that very much.